Hi everyone, this is Mary Crossan with the TLT. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Panopto, record a Panopto video, and submit the video as a course assignment in Blackboard. If you are watching this video in Panopto, you can use the table of contents to skip ahead to the part you need. So you've got a Panopto video assignment. You can recognize Panopto assignments by the 6-step instructions in the description. The first step is to get your video into Panopto, so click the link to the Panopto video library in step 1. If you've never used Panopto before, this license agreement is going to pop up. Click on Accept, and you'll see a Welcome to Panopto. You can do the little tour or just click on Skip Tour. And you'll be in Panopto. You'll see a list of folders here on your left. When you first access Panopto, you're in My folder. This is where you'll find your own recordings. So to get a new video into your folder, click on the Create button. Now if you've already got a video to upload, maybe you recorded it on your phone or used Photo Booth or whatever, just click Upload Media and follow the instructions. If you're going to be using Panopto to record your video, click the Panopto for Windows button. Obviously, if you're on a Mac, it's going to say Panopto for Mac. It's going to pop up this Record a New Session video. If you've already installed Panopto, you can just click the Open Panopto button. If this is your first time, you're going to click on Download. So you'll go ahead and download the Panopto Recorder installation file, and then click on the arrow next to the downloaded file and click on Open. So just go through the installation process, and this will need to be a computer you have the rights to install software on. Just go ahead and take the defaults unless you have a particular reason not to. Click on the Install button, and the recorder will start to install. It's not a large program, so this part goes quickly. When it's finished, click on Sign In. Click on Open Panopto Recorder. The Panopto Recorder window pops up. You can give your recording a name. If you forget to rename it here, it's not a big deal. You have other chances to rename it later. And then you'll need to choose your Panopto source settings. The primary source is your webcam and microphone. If you want to include these in your video, just make sure you have the correct options selected. If you only have primary sources selected, then your recording will just show the webcam video, so a talking head type shot. It looks like this. Your secondary sources are things that aren't your webcam and mic. For example, you can capture your main screen if you want to show something on your computer. If what you're showing on the computer has sound, like a YouTube video, make sure to tick the box for Capture Computer Audio. You can also capture a PowerPoint. You can also use the Add Another Video Source button to capture another input source. For instance, I have a USB endoscope camera that I can set as input. If you only have a secondary video source selected, then your recording will simply show the input from that source. This is what it looks like with secondary video input only. If you have both a primary and a secondary video source selected, your recording will show the secondary source in the larger area. And that's what this looks like. Click on the Record button when you're ready to start, and just click on Stop when you're done. You'll get a recording complete message. If you're satisfied with your recording, just click on the Done button. Your video will automatically start uploading to the Panopto server. When it finishes, you'll see the 4 options in the status column. You can go ahead and close the Panopto window now. So at this point, you can click on the tab to navigate back to your Blackboard class and the assignment. So now you're finally ready to click on the Assignment Submission link. On the Upload Assignment page, scroll down to the Assignment Submission area. In the Assignment Submission area, click on the Write Submission button. That will open a writing window. If you only see one row of buttons at the top of the writing window, click on the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner. Then click on the button on the 3rd row that looks like a plus with a circle around it. Click on Panopto Student Video Submission. Click on the radio button next to the video you want to upload, and then click on Submit Video. This will pop you back into the writing window, but now you'll see a link. The link is your video. You can go ahead and add anything else that you need to, like text or attached files. Then click on Submit. If your assignment submission was successful, you should see the purple confirmation message at the top of your page. A few moments later, you'll also receive an email confirmation. You should always keep these email confirmation messages just in case you need to prove that you submitted something at a particular time. And if you want to be extra super sure that your assignment went through successfully, you can always click again on the assignment submission link and you'll see exactly what your instructor will see. If you click on the video link, your video should begin to play. And that's all there is to it. If you run into any problems, talk to your instructor, and she can put you in touch with the best person to help. Thanks for watching.